Alright, Ducati Quickshifter. Well, the Quickshifter should have two wires on it. Quickshifter on my bike. There it is. It has a white and a black wire. Two wires so that you can have a signal going through it. And then of course the interruption when the Quickshifter actually enables. So I got from you this part. So we have one extremely thick wire coming out of here, and at first when I looked at the part I thought maybe there's two wires inside of it. And I'm looking inside that connector and there's only one metal prong in there when there again should be two. I installed the part and then I went to extend this just a hair and it just straight up pulled out and it broke somewhere in here. I might as well pull it out at this time. Hard to tell what I'm looking at here, but it looks like one big thick wire. Now I could cut this open here if you want and see what's down in here, if there's two wires or one wire, but I assume if you cut a little farther down it'll be a cleaner cut. You'll be able to tell what's there. Let me cut this wire. Yeah, that's pretty clearly one big wire, not two wires that's contained. And again, this doesn't look like the stock wire. This looks like something aftermarket that someone put in there. And again, where's the second little pin there? So yeah, that's the deal. I mean, how it was functional for you, man, I don't see that.